Get ready. If you've been living under a rock or just haven't been paying much attention to what's going on in the theme park world, then you might not know that Walt Disney World is currently building a brand new Guardians of the Galaxy ride in Epcot that's set to open in 2022. Specifically, this ride comes in the form of a brand new Vekoma indoor steel coaster which, once constructed, will be the largest enclosed coaster in the world. In this video, we want to take a closer look at the Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind coaster, and why you should start getting excited about it now. Before we jump in, we'd just like to remind you to subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed the content, and like this video as it really helps us out. Anyway, back to the video. Get ready. Cosmic Rewind's conception. At the 2017 D23 Expo, Disney announced plans to build a Guardians of the Galaxy ride in Epcot. This was to be part of a bigger overhaul of the park that had not seen much major updates in a number of years. The announcement caused a lot of excitement amongst fans, not only because this ride was a coaster, but also because it would be the first ride at Walt Disney World themed around the Marvel franchise. In all honesty, it seems like it's been a long time coming since Disney purchased the brand in 2009. The coaster itself is set to be housed in a massive new building which will be situated just behind the former Wonders of Life pavilion. Like any new attraction opening in a theme park, more times than not it's in the place of an older attraction. This was no different with the announcement of Cosmic Rewind. Some viewers might remember that 2017 was also the year Disney announced that Ellen's Energy Adventure would be closing. The main reason for this was to make room for the construction of Cosmic Rewind, although we aren't too sad to see the back of Ellen's Energy Adventure if we're being totally honest. Its time had come to pass. So when's the opening date? The million-dollar question at this moment in time still remains largely unanswered. However, from recent reports, we think the ride should be still on course to open sometime in 2022. It had actually been planned to open in 2021, but this was originally pushed back to 2022 to overlap with Epcot's 40th anniversary and Walt Disney World's 50th anniversary. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, it has seemed uncertain whether the 2022 date would be met due to the sudden closure of the resort. However, with everything back up and running, things are looking a lot more positive. In fact, one of the main reasons we know that construction is not only going well but also entering its final stages is thanks to the social media updates from Walt Disney engineer Zach Ridley. In a recent Instagram post, Ridley stated that Disney is deep in the final stages of preparing our first Otherworld Showcase pavilion at Epcot with our Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind attraction. If this isn't proof enough that the attraction's opening date isn't too far off, then we don't know what is, and hopefully the opening date shouldn't be as far off as we may have thought. Will Cosmic Rewind live up to the hype? When we first heard that Disney announced a Guardians of the Galaxy ride at Epcot, we weren't entirely sure what to expect. When we then found out that it was going to be an indoor steel coaster, we started to get pretty excited. In all honesty, Walt Disney World has never really been known for its thrill attractions, although it does have a few scattered across the parks. As a result, thrill seekers have generally preferred other parks such as Universal Studios or Six Flags parks, as they generally have more rides catering to these guests. With the addition of Cosmic Rewind, we hope that this is the beginning of Disney starting to add more thrill rides to its parks in a bid to cater to the wider theme park community. Of course, it's hard to say if a ride will live up to the hype before it's even been opened. But we've learned long ago not to doubt Disney when it comes to expansions or new attractions, as they've proven time and time again that they can deliver. For this reason, we're choosing to be optimistic that Cosmic Rewind will live up to the hype while also enhancing Epcot as a park. Some of the early videos of the ride system look pretty innovative and exciting too. We've seen the Vekoma Disney relationship be fruitful in the past, with the conception of many top attractions such as Expedition Everest and Space Mountain. And we've no reason to believe that Cosmic Rewind won't be just as, if not more successful than any of its predecessors. If you enjoyed this video, check out our Hidden Gems in Epcot video on screen now. Are you looking forward to riding Cosmic Rewind, or are you from the future and have already ridden it? Either way, let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And now you're ready.